Greetings from the oldest rainforest on Earth. It's Alistair here from Photo Organic. We're here on a photo safari, and I just thought I'd outline what a photo safari to the far north of Queensland is like. It's all about seeing wonderful creatures that are hidden in the forest and the ways in which we can find them. For the average person just turning up and taking photos in the rainforest, you might get lucky, but we've got fantastic guides that can show us things that exist in the rainforest that you might never have even considered. Things like a spider that looks like a bird dropping or a bat dropping that you walk straight past, and it's actually a spider. Things like insects, katydids, things that are beautifully camouflaged in the environment as well. Things like forest dragons and all sorts of reptiles, including red-eyed tree frogs and incredible amphibians that we can photograph as well. So in addition to this, there's also the wonderful scenery. So incredible landscapes, the most beautiful waterfalls and fresh streams like this in the middle of the rainforest, all sorts of wonderful photo opportunities to create a wonderful portfolio of photos to showcase at the end of your trip. So in addition to the actual photography, this kind of safari, you'll learn a lot about the jungle. So this is the oldest rainforest on Earth. This is 180 million years old. So this has evolved completely differently to other rainforests on Earth, and the creatures within it have done so as well. So it's an incredible place to come and visit. So it's just a beautiful experience to be able to take photos, have professional experts show you how to find the fauna and how to understand the ecology of the rainforest at the same time. So I hope you can join me on one of our Photo Organic photo safaris to far north Queensland soon, and I hope to see you on safari soon.